I don't know which communication protocol you're about to use, but in case you are going to use some serial communication, which is this RS485 port here under the Ethernet port. In that case, you can choose the communication protocol here at Communication, Connections, here is Protocol, and you would then choose the protocol over here. Uh, if you're using some Ethernet based protocol instead, with this port over here, you would then go to any of these IEC 61850, Modbus TCP, IEC 101, 104, enable it from here. And I think DNB3 also has, yes, DNB TCP enable. And then you would set the relevant settings like energy deadbands and so on. And after that, you go to Tools, Communication, and make the needed settings to the datasets and so on. I'm not going to go through all of them because I don't know which communication protocol you're about to use. But in case you need assistance with setting up, uh, I will gladly help. And also, uh, when you have made your own configuration, you can send it over to us so we can check that it looks fine and maybe comment on it. What else? I think that's basically pretty much all of the basics that you need to know to make configurations. In case you're using a time synchronization with NTP, uh, you will need to go to General menu and set the time synchronization source to external NTP, and then go to Communication Protocols NTP and set the server address. And in addition to that, you will have to set the NTP client IP address for this for this Ethernet port. But now comes the important thing. This IP address has to be unique from this port over here that you use for SCADA communication and connecting with Activate from the back port. You cannot set the same IP address here, even though physically it is the same port. This is because NTP time synchronization is running on a separate CPU from other communication. So now that we have, as an example, this IP address here uh, used for SCADA communication and Activate, we could set up 192.168.100 and 101. Yes, we want to change the communication settings and set the gateway to like that. And in some cases, some communication protocols, when you're using time synchronization, you will need to set the time zone. So you would choose the country. In my case, it's Finland, and set. And now it's using Finland's time zone for the clock. Yeah, I think that is everything. If you have any questions, send an email. Send the configuration file that you are working on, and we can comment on it and help you out. Okay, I hope this helped at all. Unfortunately, I I haven't really had the time to really make really look that much in detail what kind of project you have going on, but hopefully this will help to get started.